Morning, baby. Steve has shit to do. It's Friday. It's Friday. We love Fridays. I'm off weekend, so I definitely love my Fridays. And I'm going boating tomorrow. Definitely got some friends want to go out, so we're gonna go boating tomorrow. Came into work, got a compressor and tank for this thing, but I got to stop on this truck. I got a VFD fault and a sewer pump failure, or a vacuum pump failure, sorry. So we're gonna go in and investigate and see what's going on. So we got a fault 17. Ideally you can get in and start trying to research and look, but first thing I'm gonna do, it's a pretty common fault. I'm gonna start popping covers and checking the wires. Sometimes those wires can get heated, arced out, whatever happens. A lot of things going on, a lot of things running over time. They can fail. So most common issue for that fault, yeah, that's probably what happened. It's gonna be a wiring issue. Just faulted. So let's open up boxes, see what it looks like. First thing we do, guys, 460 volts. cleaned up. I'm gonna put this cover back on, clean this up, put it in nice, and we're gonna test run this thing, make sure we're in the right direction of rotation, and get good to go. Things are all operating at like close to 200 degrees. 5 of them. Fire this baby up, make sure she's running in the right direction. And I just heard I got another one to do. That's the kind of days I get. Usually always the same thing, one after another. Turn that on and check rotation. That's how I do a vacuum pump or electrical repair. I gotta go diagnose another one. Could be the same issue, could be totally different. But this is what gets me away from my trucks and things that I like to fabricate and do around here at the shop, but I'm not always doing that. I'm doing more important emergency repair stuff, electrical, mechanical, could be anything. But thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your Friday. As I was able to get back on the truck, took a minute to figure out what I was gonna do with this air tank and stuff. So I got it mounted right here. I don't know if you remember the tank, it's right there. Just mounted it right off the leg of that box in the back. It's right there. They got a direct port right there close near, so it's good. I already have, I don't know if you've seen it here, I have one wire coming down already for this pump that we showed you in the last video. So I'll be able to just run the other 2 wires straight up that same little port, and we'll be good to go. As far as compressor goes, I'm probably gonna mount it somewhere in there just like that. You know, these whips will just come right here to those ground and power bus, and just have that something just like that, and we should be good to go. As you can see, I used the same method. Just used a little bit bigger one. I haven't tightened it down yet. And then over there is that one. I just turned this one up. I needed more room under there, which is fine. So that's it, guys. I'm out of here for the day. Let's have a happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. I'll probably show some footage of tomorrow's boating adventures, but other than that, be good, be happy, stay out of trouble. Have a good weekend, guys.